Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by laying out hardware and confirming ports. Plug Xbox HDMI into the Monster Card HDMI input. This passes video to the card. Once done, connect the Monster Card HDMI output to your TV or monitor so you can view gameplay directly. This prevents audio/video delay. Make sure the card's USB 3.0 goes to your PC. This carries the capture stream. If the card needs external power, attach it now. Otherwise, skip power steps and proceed to software. You now install drivers and configure capture software so Windows recognizes the Monster Card. Install the driver package, then reboot. This ensures the card enumerates properly. Once that's done, open OBS or the Monster app and add a new video capture device, selecting the card. Set the input resolution and frame rate to match the Xbox output, usually 1920x1080 at 60. This keeps motion smooth. Make sure to enable low latency pass-through to avoid gameplay lag while recording. You finish by confirming audio and recording settings to deliver clean captures. Route Xbox audio via HDMI and select that source in your software. Otherwise, enable desktop audio capture so sound records. Record a 30-second clip, then check a /v sync, bitrate, and resolution, adjusting encoder settings if needed. If you encounter no signal or dropped frames, reseat HDMI cables, try a different USB 3.0 port, and update capture card firmware. These steps resolve most problems and restore stable capture.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.